Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. And I don't know if y'all tell me someone wanna watch Bridgerton. Tell me someone love Bridgerton because first of all, all right, before there was Bridgerton, there was Julia Quinn, and I love historical romance novels. Yeah, so this series did have me in a chokehold. But then came Shonda. And baby, I watched Queen Charlotte this weekend. And look what arrived. So I finished the series in one day because what else are you gonna do? And now guess what me out for. Oh, let me tell you. It was so good. It was so good. It was like literally it was the best. Like out of all three, it's the best one. Like what are we gonna do? We're just gonna go back to regular Bridgerton after Queen Charlotte? I think it's not. But clearly that's what we're gonna do. But no, I can't start it this week because I have things to do. Adulting. But this weekend, baby, don't remember that for the ground. I'm gonna be it. But listen, only if you talk to me. Like, I'm not like Bridgerton. No man. Shonda is iconic. Shondaland is forever. Anyway, I'm just come here for telling some my book. Not that most of you will probably care, but you get my point. I'm of a stack of books, you know. I went and I bought some books the other day. I know they're all at the bottom of the pile because when I moved, obviously the book stash can't come, so yeah, start over from scratch. And it tastes strange a little bit. Maybe like with a non-fiction I go on the night and them thing there. But ultimately I'm starting from scratch when it comes to my books. And I went out and I got 3 earlier this month. And it's kind of pretty busy at work, so I haven't been able to really like come home tired and drained and blah blah blah. But watch me when the weekend drop. Anyway, peace. Hi guys. So doing a little mask. So we're going. Feel like a long time. I'm gonna talk soon. And it dawned on me that I did not share with you guys that we went to them box the over the sun. We went to a store and got some chest of drawers because we are extremely low on space and it's getting to be a maddening situation. But yeah, like them in a box. And that's not my area. It's not a man area, so he's gonna fix them up when he gets some time. Say hi to the vlog, Tibbs. Hey. And so we're just chilling on a Saturday afternoon. Babe over the sour. And uploading here, which you should have been doing. But yeah, I've just been really tired. I've been really busy. And now I think things slow down a bit. So I'll try to vlog a little more. And summer is coming up, so I really want to take advantage of the outdoors, and I really haven't been. What else did I felt this about? Nothing I really want. But just we're settling into our routine now. I think we pretty much have like a good swing of routine, what we do, blah blah blah. Still settling, but I think it's on its way to being settled. So that's an update from us here in the Reed household. The machine stopped. Start laundry. I've been doing laundry on Sundays and it makes me very tired, so I'm thinking I should at least do some of it on a Saturday. So I'm starting the laundry today. Like I said, we're working into the little routine and everything, so the little 1 hour jar or something. So I don't know if you not hear this, but I'll listen back to it, and if you can't hear it, then it goes into the vlog. And yeah, peace.
Go over there?
Ano yun, pork talaga?
What? Wow.
I want a video too.
I'll check.
That man is shirtless.
Black.
No, only that one.
It's a lake.
But not
Hello. Inverse.
I like black.
Oh gosh.
It's a lake.
They black.
It's a lake.
Not all lakes black.
It's a lake. Means water go out nowhere to go.
Yeah, you in Saskatchewan on government.
Mommy, do you know how much I love butterflies at? Where is that coming from? Ow. Just a park? Is that a water park or just a park? No.
No. What do you mean no?
I mean, no, because they should have put on a swimsuit.
It's not open yet.
It's not open.
It'll be open for the summer and we can come.
But it's not open. Who's over there? There's a Zabido. The Zabido. Zabido.
Mosquito me up. You know, say one mosquito no bite me. I feel blood then one. What you doing about come?
Ew.
You're in a city, girl.
Take that fly out of here.
So we're heading back out because mosquitoes are eating us alive. Them start biting me now, too, so. And them big like fly. Say hi to the people then.
Hi.
Hi to the people then.
That's probably the only time you've ever spoken on this channel
Sylvie,
that can
Sylvie,
actually
with
hear
me.
you.
With me.
You know that? It's probably the first time you say something on the channel and I can actually hear you. It always sounds like my mouth big and you can't talk. You have the disrespect? Do you have the disrespect?
Sylvie.
Being fed up by the mosquito on him. But as you can see, it's beautiful. But the mosquitoes aren't. Way! So we're heading back to the car and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.